Hello Internet, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set the trending Sabrina Carpenter live wallpaper on your Windows computer. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for Lively Wallpaper in the Microsoft Store, or visit livelywallpaper.app. This free application lets you use videos and animations as live wallpapers. Step 2. Download and install Lively Wallpaper. Once it's installed, open the program. To find a Sabrina Carpenter live wallpaper video or GIF online, you can go to the video description and download it directly from the Google Drive link. Step 4. In Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon, then browse and add the Sabrina Carpenter wallpaper file you downloaded. Step 5. Select it, and it will instantly start playing as your desktop background. Please note, this wallpaper originally includes Sabrina Carpenter's espresso music, but I've muted it here to avoid any copyright issues on YouTube. Step 6. You can right-click the Lively icon in the taskbar to adjust playback speed, scaling, or performance settings. And that's it. You now have a beautiful Sabrina Carpenter live wallpaper running on your Windows desktop. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new wallpaper. Please consider subscribing and drop a like.